Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Aida.
My name is Azim.
And my name is Nurhanina.
We are from Gadget Corp training team. Today we are explain the basic mobile operating system that help new members understand their phones.
Two main mobile operating systems today are Android and iOS. Android is developed by Google. It is used by many phone brands such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and Realme. One key feature of Android is that it is highly customizable. Users can change home screen layout, install custom launcher, widget, and create theme easily. iOS is known for being simple, smooth, and very secure, but not as customizable as Android. Before there was only two operating systems, there was once a time a third operating system existed. It was called Windows Phone, but it was discontinued because fewer apps supported it, and the market shifted to Android and iOS. Now I'm going to explain a simple differentiation between Android and iOS based on two core features. The first feature is openness and customization. Android is an open source and highly customizable. Users can change launchers, install apps from outside the Play Store, and tweak system settings. While iOS is a closed system with limited customization, apps must come from the App Store and system-level changes are restricted. The second feature is hardware restriction. Android runs on a wide variety of devices from many manufacturers such as Samsung, Google, Xiaomi, and etc. While iOS runs only on Apple devices such as iPhone and iPad with tightly controlled hardware software integration. In short, Android is more open and flexible, while iOS is more closed and tightly optimized for Apple hardware. Now I'm going to explain how apps are installed from both App Store iOS and Play Store Android. For iOS, first open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Second, use the search tab to find the desired app you want to install. Third, tap the Get or Price button. Fourth, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Then last but not least, the app automatically download and install on your device. Now for Android, first open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Then use the search bar to find the desired app you want to install. Third, tap Install or Price if it's paid. Fourth, the app download and install automatically. And last but not least, once it's done, it appears in your app drawer or home screen. In short, both stores let you search, download, and install app with a single tap, but iOS uses Apple App Store while Android uses Google Play Store. I'm going to explain the difference between pull and push content source. Pull is a user-initiated download, while push is IT-initiated deployment. So how it works: pull, the user chooses to download or install content, such as app or updates, manually from a store or website. While push, the IT team remotely sends or install content, apps such as apps, updates, and settings directly to user's device without user action. For example, for pull, a user opens the Play Store or App Store and taps Install to download an app. While push, an example for it, a company's IT department pushes a security update or required app to all employee devices automatically. In short, pull means the user chooses to download or update the apps by themselves, while push means the system or administrator sends and install update automatically.
In this demonstration, I will identify and name two common elements that can be found on both Android and iOS at the home screens. The first element is the app's icon. The icon represents different applications such as message, camera, or setting. The second element is the dock. The dock is the button area of the home screen that usually contains frequently using apps like phone, message, browser, and music. Both Android and iOS have this element, but their appearance and layout may slightly differ. I will will demonstrate and describe how to create a new folder on the home screen. On, on an Android or iOS device, these steps are quite similar. First tap and hold one icon X until start to move or allow you to rearrange. Then drag that apps on top of other apps that you want to group together. A new folder will automatically be created containing both apps. You can now rename the folder by tapping the folder name and typing your preference names such as social media or games. The purpose of using folder is to organize apps so your home screen look cleaner and it become easier to find application quickly. Finally, I will show the basic step to install an apps from an iOS device. First, tap and hold the apps icon you want to remove. A small menu will appear. Choose Remove Apps. Then select Delete App to confirm the uninstallation. The app will now be removed from your iPhone or iPad. This method helps free up storage space and remove unused apps from the device.
In summary, Android is more customizable and available on many devices, while iOS is simpler and secure but limited to Apple devices. Thank you for watching our presentation. Bye!